Welcome back. Retail in focus this morning. Kohl's reporting second quarter results moments ago. The stock is up 3%. Both earnings and revenue above analyst expectations, and the stock is at $43.20 right now. That's up $1.27. Later on, we will hear from Macy's and Nordstrom. My next guest has key insight into the retail sector. His company, Zebra Technologies, helps companies manage their inventories. Joining us right now, Zebra Technologies CEO Anders Gustafsson. Good to see you, Anders. Thanks very much for joining us.
Thank you.
What are you seeing from your vantage point?
Well, for us, retail has been a good market for the last three quarters or so. The big driver for us has been e-commerce is fueling a lot of growth within the e-commerce segment. But now we see a lot of the brick-and-mortar type retailers responding by building out their omni-channel strategies. So they're investing a lot in our type of technology.
They have to, right?
Yep.
To compete with Amazon.
Absolutely. Yeah, so we've seen that for us, we've gone from being considered to be more of a, say, tactical productivity tool, so now being a much more essential part of enabling them to execute on their strategies.
What are they seeing? Just the ability to track in real time, give the customer data? What advantages do they see in the bottom line?
At the high level, what we do for them is that we help them connect the physical world to the digital world. So we expose, you can say, a lot more data that they can then analyze and do something with in real time.
Which consumers also enjoy. I just know when I'm buying something, knowing where it is when it's coming matters to me.
Yeah. So you can say in a retail store, if we can tell somebody that somebody's been in the store looking at the big screen TV, they can do something with that. They can send a salesperson over. They can send a coupon over or something. By the time person is in the parking lot, it's kind of perishable data. So you got to be real time.
Do you see let's call them the fixed retailers, the brick retailers, getting together in any way, shape, or form to combat Amazon? One of the criticisms of newspapers in relation to the rise of Google and Facebook is they never managed to bury their competitive conflicts, get together, for example, in the UK, and give us a common sales platform.
Yeah.
Do you think you'll see the same thing happen?
I don't see the retailers kind of doing a consortium, say, to do this, but I know they do talk and compare notes about how to go about executing their omni-channel strategies. So they do more.
But the shudders that you saw in retail valuations when Whole Foods was the Amazon Whole Foods deal was announced. I mean, we were very significant in terms of market cap falls.
Absolutely.
So you don't see anything happening there? I mean, for example, in China, where I was a few weeks ago, Walmart have got together with JD.com. They switched their digital,
from that perspective,
investment, and they actually are a shareholder in JD.com, which is number 2 to Alibaba. You see same sort of things happening here or not?
I have not seen that yet. Outside of the U.S., you've seen more kind of partnerships where a brick-and-mortar retailer invests in or divests parts of their e-commerce activities in order to get a stake in something bigger.
And it's not just retail. Your technology is being used in healthcare, in manufacturing. Tell us how it improves efficiency. What specifically is the growth story there?
Yeah, so healthcare has been a great market for us. It's been the fastest growing vertical for us over the last several years, and it's all started with the advent of the electronic health record. So now you can attach digital data to a database. So what we do, our value proposition there is very much around, we help both improve the quality of care, but also the cost of care. So if you do bedside care, say you scan the wristband of the patient, you scan the medication and the nurse's ID badge to make sure that the right patient gets the right medication, the right dose at the right time, an authorized caregiver. So the risk of an error goes down substantially, and that's a big part of cost in healthcare.
How big of an investment have you made in protecting that data?
So cybersecurity generally is a big part of what we do.
As we know.
Yeah.
As we know from recent events.
Yeah, that's right. So we have a board committee and everything that works on this. So we spend a lot of time making sure that our devices should be as secure as they can be.
All right, Anders, we'll leave it there. Great to see you. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Anders Gustafsson, Zebra Technologies.